If you think the design patterns are the worst implementation, you get stuck in limbo. You lock yourself in the dimension from where the escape is not easily possible. You start adopting other technique to tackle the problem caused by the design pattern you just adopted. Our mind wants to follow certain things which are well known to the world or which are standard, so that nobody confront us when we are asked why you selected certain solution. We can say that the whole world is using this, or this is the standard. We keep locking ourselves in the situations which were created by others for their own problems. If you feel like that, then you are not alone. People are so rigid, they won't allow you to make a change in the standard. Whereas there are companies, there are smart people or celebrity which go against the norms, which defy all these rules and bring something very simple, something which solves their problem or a certain problem, and everybody start following them because that was so simplistic idea. Software engineering is all about the customization, adopting different techniques, different pattern or best practices that help you, which unlock your potential instead of locking you or restricting you to a certain limits. If you want to know more about this, please comment below your favorite design pattern. We will talk about this and we will reason about this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.